Hello, so for today's video, I'm going to show you where you can check if you already have an earnings on your YouTube account. So first, go here, upper left, and then go to YouTube Studio, and then go here, earn, and then go to watch page ads, then see analytics. So as you can see, we already have a small earnings here because we are not that active in YouTube. So you can see here the duration, for example, lifetime, and so for lifetime we have 165. I've started this last uh 2029, but I'm only active maybe 2 years or 1 year, almost 2 years active. So are here you can see 2024, 2025. So I'm active in 2024. So right now, I'll be focusing on YouTube. So here you can see, or you can check which content is has a um, good standing. So that's it. So again, go to your YouTube Studio, then earn. Go to watch page ads. So see my analytics. So here. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.